Oh! Casey! Ellie, I saved you a seat. Hey, did you download the new Macaroni Blaster on your phone?
No, I tried to, but I couldn't get the game on this.
Oh, man.
My phone is kind of old and I'm not getting a new one until Christmas.
You have to try it, though. The whole school's playing. But that's okay. You can use my phone.
Nice, thanks.
Where is that Jimmy? Have either of you talked to him today?
Nope, not today.
Oh, macaroni.
Jimmy to the boss! Jimmy to the boss! You got less than 1 minute and then we're leaving without you.
I'm coming. Hold on.
5, 4, 3.
Made it, and with time to spare. So question, if hypothetically I was to miss the bus, does that mean I would get to stay home and play video games all day?
Have a seat, Jimmy.
Hey Ellie, Casey, happy first day of school. Barf. But on the bright side, at least we get to play Macaroni Blaster at recess.
Oh my gosh, is everyone playing this except me?
Oh, hey, Jimmy, what level did you get up to?
Well, I don't want to brag or anything, but I made it up to level 87 yesterday. Yep, looks like I'm the best player in the school.
Level 87. What a noob. Last night, I got up to level 96. Ha! Read it and weep.
96? Oh, no way. Macaroni blast off right now.
Oh, you are so on. Ready, set, go.
I'm never gonna catch up at this point. Yuck, why is my phone so old? What am I gonna do when the whole class is playing Macaroni Blaster? Except me.
Blast. Oh, don't worry, Ellie. Your phone's not that old.
Yeah, I'm sure in a couple weeks your app store will have it and everything will be fine. Oh.
Yeah, I guess it's okay.
Ellie, look at that. We have the same kind of phone. We're phone twins. Could you teach me how to do one of those texts?
Coach Rocco, not such a good idea.
Oh, I can't show up to class with this old phone, everyone. I can't go to school today. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
Whoa, Ellie, wait! No. Oh, great going, Coach Rocco. You just had to do the phone twins thing.
But I thought phone twins was lit.
It's just not what she wants to hear right now. All right, everyone, if you want to help us get Ellie back for the first day of school, give us a big thumbs up.
I'm gonna find her first.
Not in your life.
Hey, get back here, Jimmy.
I always thought phone twins was groovy. Can you dig it?
Ellie!
Oh, come on, Ellie, come on out. We were just kidding about Macaroni Blaster. It's not that amazingly fun.
Yeah, and honestly, I beat Ginny so many times at this point, I'm pretty much over it.
Beat me? You've never beaten me once at Macaroni
Like
Blaster.
5 times
How dare
this
you
morning.
even
My score's
insinuate
way
that?
more. You know what? We are just going to have another blast off later. For now, we have to focus on finding Ellie.
All right, you're right. Okay, I'm gonna look for Ellie here by the pool. And you can look for her wherever. I don't care. Over there.
Fine. Oh, so you get to go look by the pool. How convenient. Huh. Well, I'm gonna find her first. Wait a minute, what do we have here? 2 tents. Ha! Jackpot. I'm so gonna find Ellie first. Ellie, I know you're in there. It's just a matter of which one. Oh, got it. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catch a tiger by his toe. Ellie needs a new phone and you are here. Ha! Ready or not, here comes Casey. Oh, come on, Ellie, where are you? I'll let you play an extra round of Pizza Blaster on my phone. Hello?
Oh, hey, Casey. This is Jimmy. Casey didn't know. I'm at the pool, by the way, and I'm thinking about doing some underwater spinaroonies.
Jimmy, I told you not to get in the pool. We're supposed to be looking for Ellie.
Oh, yeah, about that. Well, if you don't want to go to the pool with me, I guess I'll just jump in all by myself. See ya.
Oh, you are so done when I find you.
Ellie! Did you go in for a dip?
Oh, glad to see you are having so much fun while I'm looking all over the place for Ellie.
What do you mean? I'm looking for her too.
Oh yeah, so doing underwater spinaroonies counts as looking for Ellie? You are so hilarious.
Underwater spinaroonies? great idea. But no, I wasn't swimming. Do I even look wet to you?
But you just had your face in the water.
Well, I wasn't actually swimming. I was just looking,
That
with
still
the
counts as
goggles.
getting in the pool. I told
I
you
don't
not to
think
do
it's
that.
all
We're supposed
right.
to
Are
play
you
Ellie.
two squabbling again? Aren't you supposed to be looking for Ellie?
I was looking for Ellie, but then Casey came in talking about underwater spinneroonies, which I'm totally gonna try, by the way.
Underwater spinneroonies was my idea, so I get to try it first. Oh, after we find Ellie.
Well, if you're looking for Ellie, she's over there running away. Come on.
Ellie!
All this searching for Ellie's making me hungry.
Phew! They won't suspect me in here. Finally, I get some time to relax and think about my next plan. Oh, can't run away forever.
Coach Rocco!
Coach!
Oh no! Jimmy and Casey are here! How did they find me? Think, Ellie, think! What do I do? What do I do?
Hey, come out, Coach. We have a question.
Yeah, can you settle this for us?
Coach, can you open up? We need you to settle something.
Coach! Can you come out here and please tell Casey that I have won the spookiest Halloween costume 4 years in a row?
You were a baby butterfly last Halloween. How on earth is that supposed to be scary?
I was not a butterfly. I was a vampire. Coach, get out here.
Oh, well, howdy there, kids. I was just cleaning the bus in there. You sure do know how to leave a big mess behind.
Coach, you look a little weird.
Stop changing the subject, Casey. Coach, can you please tell Casey that I was a spooky vampire for Halloween last year?
Vampire? I thought you were a fluttering baby butterfly.
See, I told you.
I give up. I guess nobody knows what a vampire looks like anymore in this crazy, crazy world. You know, with the fangs and the cape and the spooky makeup.
Oh, hey, Coach, have you seen Ellie anywhere? We've been looking everywhere.
Oh, Ellie, no, I haven't seen her at all. I have a perfect idea. In order to get Ellie back, we've got to clean the bus.
Clean the bus? How is cleaning gonna help us get Ellie back?
Well, of course, who could resist a spotless bus? As soon as we scrub this baby clean, she won't be able to resist coming back here and going back to school.
Oh, man, a scrubbing contest? I am so in. You're going down, Jimmy.
Oh, is that so? Well, ready, set, go.
You're on.
Coach Rocco!
Coach Rocco? Coach Rocco? But I'm Coach Rocco. There's two Coach Roccos? Don't tell me there's two Jimmys, too.
Okay, fine, you got me. It's me, Ellie.
Ellie Sparkles. Now, why have you been hiding all this time? And why don't you want to go to school? That's not like you. Are you feeling okay?
Yeah, I'm feeling fine. It's just I'm embarrassed to be the only person at school without the newest and coolest phone. And everyone at recess is going to be playing Macaroni Blaster while I'm just going to be standing there doing nothing. Everyone will think that I'm super weird.
Weird? Ellie Sparkles weird? Now, I could be a little weird, but you? No, you're funny, yes. Smart, yes. You're good at gym, yes. But weird? Nope.
You really think so?
I know so. And I also know that your friends are not going to like you less because of the type of phone you have. I mean, do you like Jimmy for the type of sneakers he has?
No. I mean, I've never even seen Jimmy's sneakers. I like Jimmy because he's, well, Jimmy.
I know, exactly.
You know what? That makes total sense, Coach. You're so right.
So what do you say we hop on the bus and start the day all over again?
You know what? Let's do this. First day of school. Let's go.
Ellie, you're back, and just in time to see me win the scrubbing contest.
Oh, no way. Jimmy, look, your basketball's rolling away.
Huh, I've been duped.
We ready to go to school, you guys?
Yes, give us like 10 minutes, okay? I gotta beat Jimmy
Gotta get those
first.
hard-to-reach places.
Oh, come on, get on the bus. We gotta go. We're gonna be late. All aboard!